itong Gordon and Camarines, matagal na itong mga senador. Anong look at the reputation, the name behind the persona. Ano ang record nila in the past? I can enumerate 100. Kindly sit down. Thank you. Before anything, let me mag-segue lang ako. Itong maybe the last phrase, so as to bring honor and prestige to the party. Alam mo, it can be said that the PDP is in the leadership of government. So, it behooves upon me at least to try to explain to you the current issues of the day. Importante kasi ito, nakikinig ang taong bayan at mismo kayo. Now, itong dalawang issues, importante. Dalawa ito ngayong pinaglalaruan ng kalaban. I'm not talking about politics, but I'm talking about the ideals of the party. Because kung ang mga tao, pati kayo, hindi naniniwala na kami karapat-dapat ang nasa itaas, governing the country, at may duda kayo, then there is really no point of me joining the party or running for vice president under this party. Alam mo, dalawang issues yan. One is the issue of itong opposition questioning the 62 billion na hindi pa nagamit ni Duque, Secretary. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, that the primary, force fighting COVID would really be, ideally, the Department of Health. And I suppose that it is only right that Congress should give the money to government, to the executive department, and rightly so, to the Department of Health. Ngayon, itong unspent, sabi ng COA, wala namang corruption at walang nawala, and yet they tried to foist so many side issues. Pangsisira lang. At ako sasabihin ko sa inyo, kung totoo man yan, I will resign. I will resign. Kung si Duque, kinurap niya, or anybody in the executive department. Particularly, of course, maski malayo ako sa mga transactions dyan, being the president of the executive department and of the country, talagang mananagot ako. So, kung hindi nila ako tawagin, then I have to look for a forum to explain to the people the issues, the real issues. Ganyan yan. Ngayon, binigyan natin ng trabaho si Duque. Binigyan natin ng pera. Anak ng pating, huwag mong pakialaman kung meron pang naiwan at hindi niya nagastos, for Diyos, Gordon and Company should not be stupid really to be dwelling on how the department should be run and how the money given to it be spent. May programa si Duque, huwag mong pakialaman. Natapos yan, dito na naman sila sa procurement. Again, sinasabi ko sa inyo, merong bidding, may negotiated contract because na madalian. And to tell you frankly, it was I who gave the order in a cabinet meeting to Secretary Duque. Sabi ko, buy the things that are necessary to fight this COVID pandemic. Do it fast. Sabi ko, I'm sure, don't go into contracts or bidding, lowest bidding, kasi yung lowest bidder, kasi matagal yan. Alam ko, I've been the mayor of Davao City for 23 years. In my life, I had about 10 elections including the presidency. Hindi po ako natalo ni minsan. Alam ko, yung bidding na yan, it could take forever. So, considering the need of the moment, sabi ko sa kanya, do away with bidding because I'm sure there's a loss somewhere. Yan ang exact words ko. And the minutes of that meeting is available to everybody. Tape recorded yan eh. Sabi ko, do it fast. I don't care how you do it, but do it fast. So, nag-negotiated contract sila. The negotiated contract was signed. Wala tayong binayad until there was a complete delivery of what we ordered to government. Ngayon, ang current price noon, which was prepared by the DTI, or the so many goods, Department of Trade, there's so many goods that can be bought by the buying public and including government, nandoon. At yung presyo ng mask, at nakalagay doon, and that was the basis of the price for which government paid for this thing. Ngayon, there was a bidding, there was delivery. We did not pay anything until after all was there. So, ngayon ang iniingay nila, kini-question nila, itong taong Siang. Siang is a businessman from Davao. He has been doing business there for 20 years. When I was trying to negotiate for a just is tea with some Chinese businessmen dito, I had already plans of going to China to talk to President Xi Jinping about the relations of China and the Philippines. Alam ko mas makatulong, armas, marami. You want, whatever you want to wage war, America is the best source. Pero all others, itong mga bagay na ito na madalian, it was China. Wala pa yung pandemic. So siya yung inutusan ko. At sinabi ko sa kanya, you advise me, so you are my advisor. Walang problema yan because he was there for 20 years in Davao doing business and I knew him. And to think that every time yung dating ambassador who is now assigned in Indonesia for God's name. Every time that he'd go to Malacanang to see me, Yang was there because we were talking of how to connect to China. So yun, he was the one who parlayed everything. And so nagpunta ako sa China, gano'n. Siya yung nag-invest. Ngayon yung sloganeering, let us invite everybody to go into business. Akala ko ba we are inviting everybody including the Chinese? Kaya pumunta nga ako doon eh. This guy, yung sa bidding na sumali, negosyante. Well, kung negosyo ka, gago ka kung wala kang kikitain. Of course, you do business because you want to make money. And so he participated in one of the two biddings. Pinaghati-hati nila yan mga, alam mo na, the Chinese style. At saka yung corporation, foreign corporation, was doing business already. It's based in Singapore. Yun ang nagbigay ng parang China is a trading country. Wala yung agriculture, wala lahat. Except trading lang yan. And minor yung yung manufacturing niya. Almost wala. It's a very small country. Trading lang. And lahat naman tayo napunta ng Singapore. Tignan mo yung pantalan nila doon. I mean, the quay, the wharf, puno ng barko. Because, alam mo, Singapore was able to manage na lahat ng anong bilhin mo, magdaan muna ng Singapore. Mag-order ka ng nasa Singapore pa ang shipment. I don't know how they did it, but wala tayong magawa. So, ang korporasyon sa Singapore, and it provided the goods according to the specification. Ngayong na-deliver na, umiingay na naman ito si Gordon. At sabihin ko sa iyo, magpupustahan tayo. Walang mangyari niyan. Wala naman talagang nilabag sa batas. Except the existence of the corporation ng Singapore who provided the goods. Itong si Michael Yang, middleman lang yan. Chinese doing business because we were encouraging everybody in the world to come to the Philippines and do business. Kaya sabi ko, akala ko ba we were trying to invite everybody to do business in the Philippines? Yun ang nangyari. Ang key dyan si Yang. Yang is known to me. I admitted, and it was Yang whom I requested to lay the ground or do the legwork of my going to China and getting into a new deal and a new relations because of yung foreign policy ko. Nag-neutral ako para makagalaw ako sa ibang. Kasi had I, you stick with America, then limitado ka. Because they would not enjoy you doing business. So, President Xi Jinping is a very good man. Soft-spoken. So, nag-uusap kami. Yun ang nangyayari. That is all there is to it. And all other businesses na hindi nila, ito basta procurement, they see something to make noise about. Ito yung oposisyon. Ito yung kalaban. Ito yung kalaban natin. At sabi ko nga sa Pilipino, nakikinig ngayon, itong Gordon and Kamadi, matagal na itong mga senador. Look at the reputation, the name behind the persona. Ano ang record nila in the past? I can enumerate 100. Pero wala tayong panahon. No, may panahon na darating ang election, then there is also a time for everything. Then bibitawan na natin. Yan ang nangyari dyan. Kaya sabi ko, kasi binabase ko, it says advancing the interests of the community. How can I in good conscience administer your oath tapos ako may ginawang kalokohan? Yan ang garanti ko sa inyo. Wala yan ang silang makita. There was a bidding, yung personality, the juridical personality ng kumpanya is actually of no moment sa us. If it's a foreign corporation, it's a foreign corporation doing business through a middleman here. Yan ang paraan eh. Wala naman si Michael Yang has no manufacturing factory in Davao. Ganon yan. Walang record yan. Hindi kriminal yan. Yan ang gusto kong malaman ninyo na at least ako kaharap ninyo. Dapat you must believe in me because